Yes,
So
Mark.
for today's training, I'm here to this is our most of our team. This is your first time doing the 3D matching project, and unlike the land cover or building repair, 3D matching project may be a totally different project for almost everyone, and it has different concept, and the the principle of this project is different. So it's very important you need to understand how this project works, and you need to follow the proper workflow to hit the benchmark, and you could enjoy a very big earning. And you could ask your judges, ask your leaders for training material, and they will have, and managers will also provide the link of that. Okay, so now let me share my screen, and let me go through the post that I sent on the first day we opened the project, and some actual project workflow. So first of all, let's take a look. For this 1729, I want to make sure you have the link for this screenshot, the training material, 3D matching project training, and we have all the necessary training video in there, and it has been labeled with 126. All right, and what I want you to guys to go through first is especially watch number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So it's useful tool introduction, proper workflow, actual project work demo, and the creation of multi-layer building. So make sure you guys watch this carefully, and you would hit the benchmark 60 seconds per layer very easily. So what it means 60 seconds per layer is, for example, in this task that's put, there are 2 layers. All right, this is our 2 layers. So which means I got 2 minutes to finish this task. And for this one, I got 3 layers. So I got 3 minutes to finish this task to hit the benchmark. Okay, and this is what the benchmark means in this 3D matching project. Then for the workflow, make sure guys you find a clear image from right view. Check and repair the building on left view. All right, for the left view image, it's for you to check and repair the building, like what you did in the building repair project. It's the same thing. All right, but it's single building on the left view, and you can do the repair work on the left. And then also you need to draw the correct border relation for multi-layer building. All right, and then you need to group all parts of multi-layer building. Then for number 3, you need to hold control to adjust the building height on left view. This is the same thing as you did in the normal building repair, in the standard building repair. All right, is to adjust the building height, right? You drag the wall for the building. And what you do next is to match the right dash line on the building corner on the right view. So right view is more like a reference window for you to determine the correct height for the building. For the so especially when you are on the building repair, you see the wall from this angle, right? You can drag it to there. But in another angle, for example, on the right view, we have a different angle. So it may be different on the right from a different angle, right? So that's why we need the right view, and we need the right dash line to match on the right view. So this is like a reference for you to match to determine the correct height for it. Okay, so if one right view matched well, other views will have high probability to be matched well automatically. So then if any right view can't be matched well, right? After you have matched the right dash line, then you hold shift to match the layer on the right view. And if any right view can't match well, then you need to repeat number 3. So you need to adjust the height of the building again. Okay, so there you need to match each layer from top to down sequence. Do it one by one. This is for the multi-layer building, and if any layer can't match, you need to hold the ALT to adjust the height of that single layer on the left view, and this will determine the layer's relative height. Then you can use the shift again to match all on all right views. So this is the proper workflow. So in general, it's very easy. You fix on left view, then you hold Control to drag the wall and match the right dash line on right view. Then, if it's the right dash line of each building's corner has been matched, then you can go to the right view, hold Shift to adjust it to match on the right. And after it's done, then you're basically done for that. So very important tool, Control. Control tool is work on the left view, and it will adjust the building's absolute height. So that is what I mean. You need to determine the height, right? Alt is to adjust the layer relative height compared to its other layers. Guys, please mute your mic. Who's the host? Can you mute this guy? Let. Thanks. Thank you. And then for the Shift is worked on the right view, is to drag the layer and match on the image. So you need to understand these three key tools that are being used in 3D matching project. Control Alt is to adjust the building's absolute height and relative height. Shift is to match the building layer on the right image. So make sure, guys, this is what you follow, all right? This is what you need to understand. I know this it's a little bit tricky, it's a little bit hard. It's harder to understand than the regular project. But once you understand it, you will find this is actually very easy. Then let's go to the actual project, and I will show you guys what I would do for this kind of project. All right, so when I got this task, right, I checked the left view. And if you are not sure which is your target building, you can turn on this mask.shape to see this light blue box, and these two are my target building. And this has been correctly drawn on the left. Okay, so you need to understand what you need to do so you won't lose clues. You won't have no idea what you need to do. This is very important. All right, so you check the building on the left is matched, right? Then what you should do, you should check if the building is matched on right. The right image, what I'm saying here, is also matched, right? So which means I don't need to repair on the left view, and I don't need to hold Control to adjust the height for the building to match on the right in order to match on the right view. So I will check the rest of the right image. So I press F2. Okay, this is another shortcut key, F2 to jump to the next view. This is also matched pretty well. Press F2 again, right? And this is a little bit changed. This is blocked, and this is a little bit changed. In this case, guys, don't waste your time to get confused. Oh, should I fix it or not? Don't, okay? If you don't see this structure on left, then you don't need to bother to fix it. So you can mark this as changed. Then let's go to the next one. This one is also blocked by tree. This is basically okay. All right, then this task is good, and we can submit. Very easy. So before we go to the next one, I want to let you guys know that we don't have a strict quality requirement for this project. So you can, for some like small structures being missed, or it's a little bit unmatched on the right view, that is okay. We can allow 4 to 5 pixel errors, okay? 4 to 5 pixel errors, which is very big. And some small structure, you don't need to waste your time on that. And for the residential building, if, I will show you guys the example later, okay? For residential building, you don't need to match for every layer. Some case, some layer is lower, but you don't need to sometimes if the lower layer is small, then you don't need to cut that layer part out and do the multi-layer. It's not necessary, okay? Make sure the major structure of the residential building is matched, then that is good. Okay, so when I give this arrow, drag sideward to correct bottom, just press Y. Now this is dragged, so I can just submit.